But I really want to focus on one concept, which is the idea that at the time of the apocalypse, or at the time of the end of the earth, something very specific is happening to humanity and is happening to the planet. And that is that it actually bifurcates and it actually splits into two different streams, or two different globes, if you will. And that's what John is talking about when he says he sees New Jerusalem descending. This is, the heavens, this is the higher sort of raptured earth. But as that one bores down upon us and is coming, there's also a sort of dross and a lower earth that is full of the abominations and everything that's unholy that could really not be purified. That then goes into be what is sometimes called the Mula Prakriti in the Eastern mysteries. It's the chaotic abyss, and it goes into a lower substrate. So at the end of any development, we have this higher path that emerges, which is called New Jerusalem. And in the New Age, this is kind of also called the New Earth, or the 5D Earth. It's the same concept, but given a sort of New Age scientific language. In Anthroposophy, it's called New Jupiter. And Rudolf Steiner uses the cosmological term for that, which is Jupiter. Jerusalem is Jupiter. So the lower earth then is this sort of, it really is the dross of this earth and what could not be transformed, what could not be made whole through Christ. That all turns downward and becomes a chaotic substrate that becomes a different world, if you will. All right, and that is how the earth actually evolves. So you have one stream that is really the spiritualizing stream, right? That's represented by heaven and New Jerusalem. That's evolving, that's evolution, okay? And then you have a devolving stream, or a descending stream, that is sort of regressing in a way. You could see it that way. And as a symbol of this, we have the feminine consciousness also splitting in two. Okay, we have the lower portion of the earth that is full of the abominations. That is represented by the whore. Okay, that's represented by the whore of Babylon in Revelation, and the whore. Now, the higher earth, that is represented by another figure in Revelation. Can you guess who? It is the lady clothed in the sun lady.